Meron tayong dalawang linear equations in two variables. We have 2x plus 3y equals 7 and 3x minus y equals 5. Paano natin solvein o makuha ang value ng x at y sa pinakamadaling paraan? Ito na yung ating shortcut matrix. Okay? I-multiply nyo lang to. Ayan, 2 times negative 1, yung numerical coefficient. Then, minus, i-multiply nyo lang ito. 3 times 3 equals 9. So, meaning we have negative 2 minus 9. Ito yung ating magiging denominator. Itong denominator na to sa x ay ganun din ang denominator natin sa y. Kokopyahin natin, negative 2 minus 9. Then, balik tayo sa x. Ano yung ating magiging numerator? Paano? I-multiply naman natin, pabalik, yung ating 3y and negative y, tsaka yung sa constant column, 7, 5. Multiply natin, 7 times negative 1 is negative 7. 3 times 5 is 15. Therefore, we have negative 7 minus 15. Then, isimplify na natin. Negative 7 minus 15 is negative 22. Over negative 2 minus 9 is negative 11. Then, we have negative 22 divided by negative 11 is positive 2. Sa y naman, okay, anong gagawin natin sa y? Yung x column naman, ang i-multiply natin sa constant. 2 times 5, ayan, we have 10. Minus, lagi tayong may minus. Then 7 times 3 is 21. Therefore, we have 10 minus 21 equals negative 11 over, same lang din yung denominator, negative 11. Then, kapag isisimplify natin, negative 11 divided by negative 11 is 1. Therefore, the value of x is 2 and the value of y is 1.